Hey guys, back again. It's me, Tessie, Tessie Dog 93. I don't know if you can hear that noise. That weird. Listen to that noise. And wait. Yeah, there's a noise like some weird noise that I heard, but didn't know what it was. It was like a sounded like a dripping, or if it was a bird. I didn't know what it was. So it was kind of weird. But uh, but uh, if I hear it again, I'll try and uh play another video or try and listen for it. Have you listened to it again? But if it was in the video, while I was talking, I don't know if you heard it. So try and listen to it while listen to it, because if I was, I don't know if I was talking quiet or not, but if you heard it, but yeah, if you if you could figure out what that noise was, or if it was a dove or whatever, morning dove, whatever, a like, subscribe, uh, thanks, bye.